Have a beautiful day. My name is Gary Tyrone Almengor Trujillo. Today we're going to be telling the time. I am from the University of San Carlos of Guatemala. When we talk about time, the first thing we do is ask. And the question is, what time is it? And when we are going to give the time, we are going to be using three words: past, to, and have. And how do we use these words? Well, we use past from minute 1 to minute 29. For example, 5:01, we will say 1 past 5. Yes, or 29 past 5. And to use to, we're going to use this word to from minute 31 to minute 59. We are going to say 29 to 6. Why 6? Because it is the next hour, yes? Or we can say, for example, 1 to 6. We would be the next hour, 6. And then we use the word have for the minute 30. We say half past 5. Here, as you can see, we have o'clock is when we are going to say when it minute 0, yes? 5 o'clock. And then past, half, and 2. As you can see here, we divide the clock in two parts when we are talking about 15 minutes. On this side, we are going to be using the word past, and on the other side, 2. So if the hand is on this side, we're going to say 2 or past. Let's look at some examples. For example, here we have 3:15. Here we would say a quarter past 3. 4:15, a quarter past 4. 5:15, a quarter past 5. Yes. And when it's 3:30, we can use the other expression half past 3. 9:30, half past 9. 11:30, we can say half past 11. And on the other side, we have 7:45. How many minutes do we need for the next hour? Yes, we need 15 for the next hour. And what would be the next hour? 8. You're right. So we would say a quarter to 8. In the next example, what would be the next hour? Yes, it would be 10. And how many minutes do we need? 15. A quarter, yes? So we're going to say a quarter to 10. And in the other example, we have 10:45. How many minutes do we need for the next hour? We need 15, a quarter, yes? So we would say a quarter to 11. Let's see some examples now. What time is it? In clock number 1, we have 1 o'clock. It's when we have 0 minutes, yes? In clock number 2, we have 5 past 1. In clock number 3, we have 10 past 1. Okay, I'll let you practice with 4, 5, and 6. Now let's look at 7, 8, and 9. We have 1:30, half past 1. We have 1:35. We will say 25 to 2. We need 25 minutes for the next hour. In clock number 9, we have 1:40. So we would say 20 to 2. We need 20 minutes for the next hour. Very good. Let's look at some other examples. Here, I'm going to ask you to point. I'm going to say the hour and I want you to point to it. Yes, it's 1 o'clock. Yes, clock number 1. And if I say it's 5 past 1, yes, clock number 4. Excellent, very good. Let's see another one. A quarter past 5. Yes, clock number 8. Very good. Now let's do some other examples. Now you try, yes? What time is it? Okay, excellent. Yes, 8 o'clock. What about the next one? Yes, 10 past 8. Excellent. Continue with this exercise. And if you want to see the recording again, please do so. Have a beautiful day and enjoy this video.